Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today we're showcasing the Oddict SnapDragon sound initiated Qualcomm controlling Bluetooth 5.2 Twig Pro headphones. This is a South Korean brand. The case itself is wireless charging as well as wired charging. Here's the headphones case right here. So you have the USB-C port right there, power button, pairing button, and charging light indicator. Down here is where you have the wireless charging area zone, and it has a flip top lid. So there's the lid right there. There's the headphones. They have the Twig. This is the Twig Pro, and that's what they look like. They come with buttons on the bottom of the stem. Both stems have buttons. Interchangeable ear tips. Here are the ear tip case right here. Comes in with the box charging cable. It will charge wirelessly. These will last for about 5.5 hours with the active noise cancellation turned on. There's the bottom where it charges. They're not exactly fully round. I like that they're oblong and not round. And there's the whole ear tip. It's kind of just stuck on. That's why it looks and sounds like Twig. But these are the Twig Pros. They have transparency mode as well, and all kinds of technology built in for the noise cancellation. You can get these right now. They came out in mid-November, and their app just updated today. So be sure to download that once you get these. These are also firmware upgradeable. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.